आज तुमची ग्रामसभा झाली किती किती पॉइंट डिस्कस झाले
There were 2-3 points which are very this. One is the usual development issues of our village. One thing was of that there is our member Mangesh Kutikar has repeatedly has keep on in many Gram Sabhas he says that there is the road issue in Kurka. That the road are narrower, but the constructions have been given by TCP with having a notification of 2008. Where they say that proposed roads, the construction license cannot be issued on proposed roads. This has been his topic from the past, I think, 2 to 3 Gram Sabhas. Okay. Repeatedly we have written to TCP and asked clarification on this because we are not the technical body to judge on this. We are being given only ownership. The Panchayat body can only decide the ownership issues in the construction license. This is clearly stated for us.
Technically तुम्हाला काय आहे ना
No, nothing technical. So that's why our advice always is asked from TCP. So they are the issuing authority. आम्ही issue जर करीना सुद्धा आम्ही कितीतरी एक करून आम्ही करीना सुद्धा they have the chance to go to appeal in Director of Panchayat within 30 days and they are getting licenses without our permission also. They don't require our permission. Secretary is Director of Panchayat directs secretary directly to grant the licenses. Oshana ki it is on us. So I say that if there is this law where Panchayat only to decide, then you can blame the Panchayat.
अनेक इश्यू झाला पळय गेस्ट हाऊस जावं पेपर इश्यू झाला कित्याक आतां सद्याक एक टेररिस्ट अटॅक झाला ताका लागून सद्याक पॉयंट चलता देशभर ताणें हें केलां की गोडी अहें हितून कुडका जावंक शकता म्हणून आनी तुमकां आयडेंटिफाय करपाक सांगलें तर तुमी कितें करतले तेजेर
So now what happens is already I have I think around 6 months back आम्ही एक अनाउन्समेंट केले that कोणाचे ट्रेड लायसन्स कोणी ट्रेड लायसन्स घेवंक ना ते पंचायती कडेन रजिस्टर करची बट आफ्टर नाव आय हॅव सीन दॅट रिस्पॉन्स हॅज बीन व्हेरी लो आफ्टर गिविंग अनाउन्समेंट आफ्टर टेकिंग आउट पब्लिक नोटीस सुद्धा काढलाय की दॅट दोज ट्रेड लायसन्सेस विथ आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड इन पंचायत दे विल बी डीम्ड कॅन्सल्ड it will be deemed cancelled but in spite of that very few people are coming for registration. What is the reason behind that I do not know, but now I have decided to take out a notice to each ward member. So they should identify that if they feel that any activities are taking place as a trade. Yes, there notices member काढलेले त्याची पहिली सुद्धा but we are not got
fresh notice काढले
fresh notice काढलेले
काढून नाव दिलेले
थोडे दिलेले right आणि त्यांच्या आम्ही नोटीसही काढलेले but then again the owners are not here mostly so that letters have come back or there has been no response because they are not staying in those houses are empty mostly maybe and because of that no proper responses come. So again I will request all members to give me the data and on that data we will see whether what action can be taken further.
So on this your request for the Agasai police for tenant verification.
Yes, that also has been done.